Hello everybody, I'm going to start working on this board. First thing what I want to do is to clean all this solder from both ends to make sure it's all nice and clean. This is the first step. Second step, I will see if I have to repair a few trace lines on the other board and make sure all those pins are fairly straight. That way I can get those ones in this one, and then put some solder on this side. So let's see if I can get it done. Let's see from the other side. Okay, this is a good one. It's a tedious job, so it's going to take some time to do that. I'm not going to show you every single one that I'm doing, but I'm just going to do it, and then once it's all ready I will post another video and then we can go from there. But there's a bunch of pins here, so for now I'm just gonna stop the video. I'll do it all and then I will come back. Alright, I just want to show you the end result, and as you can see, it looks great. Now the biggest challenge here is to put all these in here. That's gonna be a little tricky, but hopefully I can get it done. So I need to first of all get this one pushed in, and this one is, you see this one even not in the place, and it's gotta go in as well. Not pushed in like that, but whatever. Okay, so this board I'm very happy. This one I'm not really happy, to be honest with you, but I will try to fix this guy as much as I can, and hopefully it will work. I'll send it to the customer. I told him in the email that it's a very challenging board, so we'll see what I can do. The biggest challenge, as you can see, is those. Actually, I need this one on still. Okay, I'm just gonna warm it up. I'll stop the video, but what I'm gonna do, I have to take off the solder on this side completely and this one, and I have to put those pins all the way in and make sure they're all secured, and then I'll go through all of them. Like for example, this one has to go all the way, and then the solder has to catch on the other side. So I need to fix 3. This one also I don't think it's really good, so